Hi! In front of me is VIVO V20 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose Apps and Notifications, tap on App Cloner and click on the switcher next to one of available apps that you want to clone. I will go with Facebook, so now I have to click on the switcher next to it, wait a bit, and go back. Now when I access the app menu, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!